Hey everyone, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude back with another Jurassic World toy review. Today we'll be taking a look at the new Savage Strike Camp Cretaceous Stygimoloch figure, and this is absolutely beautiful. You can tell it's got way better paint applications than the original, very realistic color scheme, more of a darker brown than a orange, though I do like the orange of the original as it gives it a more characteristic look. But as we know, a lot of the new figures, like the Delta one that's coming out, they have more realistic paint applications than the original toy lines. So you can see the lighter beige on the bottom has some jagged, sharp edges coming up along, and even some splotches kind of detached from the main color. So that's really cool. Gives it even more beautiful look. The tail though does not have that continuing on, and the paint along the back does not continue down the tail. It's just a solid color and rubbery. Same with the head. The head's also kind of rubbery. You can move the horns. The horns I think have a different paint than the beige on the bottom of the jaw and the stomach, as well as the top of the head, so it's really cool that they added another bit of paint. Really makes it stand out, pop a little bit more. And on the back of the box you can see three figures that I don't currently have yet: the Spinosaurus, Styracosaurus, and Velociraptor Echo. These haven't come out in Canada. I'm not sure if they've come out in the US either. I haven't seen a lot of collectors picking these up. But I'll make sure to get them eventually. Anyways, so let's pop this sucker out of the package. So the main action feature of this figure is you pull down on the tail and the head goes in, and then when you let go or pull up, it does a ramming action, which is pretty neat, characteristic of most pachycephalosaur toys in the Mattel lineup. Another cool aspect is the toes are painted. We don't really see that in a few figures, so it's nice to actually put the effort and time in to do it for this one. Really, again, adds to this figure's detail and beauty, the look of it, right? Let's grab the scan code real quick before I forget. There you guys go. And also the beak of this figure is painted with dark gray compared to the old one with a light gray. I don't know if it'll focus, there we go. And that's the same gray, or at least lighter gray than the horns of the original, whereas this one again has the beige horns, which is neat to see. You can even have a bunch of these as a herd, have sexual dimorphism, have like the males a different color, which is really cool that Mattel's giving options as to different but similar paint jobs, darker and lighter, right? Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this review, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.